Hello and welcome to another review. This time for the LEGO Marvels The Dimension Portal from Doctor Strange. It's a 6+ set, it's from 2023 and it has 44 pieces. And Doctor Strange wears the coat of levitation. It's only a small set. It has a small booklet how to build. It's a poly bag. And this is how it looks. I hope you liked this short review. If yes, please hit a like here or a comment. Send it to some friends and please watch the next video. Bye bye!
Das heißt Zwiebelstein und das